Hello, welcome back guys to Swadaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to add tabs in Brave on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, of course you just have to open your Brave applications. And after, if you want to add some tabs on this Brave applications, you just have to tap on this tabs icon at the bottom. After tap on this plus icon, and now you can add some tabs by searching any sites here. And after, you can tap on this tabs icon again to see or to choose what sites that you want to watch to. So by these steps, you can search many things at the same time in this Brave application guys. So I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.